Hi guys, welcome to Southport Honda. Today I'm going to do a quick video on our 1.5 VTEC Sport Honda Civic. For more information on this car, please call us on 01704 500 501 and one of our qualified salesmen will give you a personalised video today. So what I'm going to do is a quick video around the outside, show you some of the key features, and for more information please don't hesitate to give us a call. Okay. So because this is the 1.5 Sport, we've got the black wheels, body kit, more on the back. It's actually an X demonstrator, this one, and the reg is PN21 ABF. Two exhausts. It's VAT qualifying this car. I'll take you inside. So it's in manual. The book pack hasn't even been opened. It's got 5,810 miles on the clock. It's got the sat nav and reverse camera as well, which are both handy features. Okay guys, there we go. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you. Bye now.